You use your gadgets every day, but what if I told you that you're only scratching the surface of what they can actually do? In this video, we're diving deep into the secret world of gadget hacks that most people have no idea exist. From hidden features to creative tricks, these hacks will change the way you use your tech forever. Whether you're a phone fanatic, a laptop lover, or a smart device addict, you're about to unlock a whole new level of convenience and control. So buckle up, because what you're about to learn might just blow your mind. 1. The screenshot shortcut trick. Ever find yourself fumbling for the right buttons to take a screenshot? Here's a game-changing hack. On many phones and tablets, you can take a screenshot simply by swiping your palm across the screen or using a three-finger gesture. This feature is often hidden in accessibility or gesture settings, and it makes capturing content incredibly fast. No more awkward button combos or missed shots. It's especially useful during video calls, presentations, or when you need to grab a quick quote. Once enabled, the motion becomes second nature. It feels like magic when it works every time. And it's not just limited to smartphones. Many laptops also have customizable screenshot shortcuts you can set. That's perfect for streamlining your workflow. Just think of the time you'll save and the clarity of capturing exactly what you need. Don't underestimate the power of a well-timed screenshot. It can be the difference between a forgotten detail and a solid memory. You'll wonder how you lived without it. Speaking of essential info, subscribe now so you never miss practical hacks like this one. 2. Charging boost mode you didn't know you had. Your phone is running low, and you've only got a few minutes. There's a trick to charge it faster, much faster. By switching on airplane mode or turning off background apps before plugging it in, your device uses far less energy, letting the battery juice up at top speed. Many phones also have a hidden fast-charging toggle buried in settings. Once activated, your battery percentage shoots up in record time. It's perfect when you're rushing out the door or heading to a long day without your charger. This hack isn't just for phones. Tablets and even some laptops benefit from similar tricks. Some USB chargers even come with power delivery modes that need to be manually enabled. Imagine being able to go from 10% to 50% while brushing your teeth. That's next-level efficiency. And we haven't even touched on using the right cable and wall plug combo for optimal speed. Learn your device's best options and supercharge your charging routine. 3. Unlock hidden functions with NFC tags. Near-field communication, or NFC, isn't just for payments, it's your shortcut to automation. Place small, cheap NFC tags around your home, and your phone can do tasks with just a tap. Want to silence your phone as soon as you walk into your office? Just tap. Want to launch Spotify the moment you step into your car? One tap and you're jamming. These little tags are programmable with free apps and can trigger a variety of actions like sending texts, opening apps, or adjusting volume settings. It's like creating custom buttons for your life. Put one on your nightstand to turn on Do Not Disturb. Stick one by the door to toggle Wi-Fi. You'll feel like a tech wizard, and they're incredibly easy to set up. No coding or tech degree required. Just a phone, an app, and a tag. With each tag, your world becomes smoother and smarter. Before long, you won't remember life without them. 4. Secret smartwatch commands. Think your smartwatch is only for checking the time and counting steps? Think again. Many models come with secret commands and gesture controls that users never unlock. Did you know you can often shake your wrist to answer a call or cover the screen to silence notifications instantly? Some allow you to launch apps just by drawing letters on the screen. Others let you control your phone's camera or even unlock your laptop from distance. These features are hidden in developer options or buried in settings menus, and they can turn your smartwatch into a mini command center. Want to find your phone without lifting a finger? Just tap a custom command. Need a quick voice memo? Say a phrase, and it starts recording. It's like having a pocket assistant on your wrist. If you pair it with other smart devices, the possibilities multiply. You'll start to feel like Tony Stark in no time. Some smartwatches can monitor stress and suggest breathing exercises in real time. You can even control smart lights or thermostats from your wrist with a single tap. Navigation becomes easier with vibration-based turn directions while walking. Some models track your sleep patterns in detail, even recommending ideal wake-up windows. You can reply to texts with voice or quick replies, perfect when you're on the move. Music control, calendar sync, and hydration reminders make your day smoother. 5. Hidden audio tricks in your earbuds. Your earbuds are smarter than you think, and they're hiding some pretty cool powers. Depending on the model, you can customize touch gestures to play /pause, skip tracks, or even summon your voice assistant. But here's where it gets fun. Some earbuds let you adjust ambient sound levels, acting like temporary hearing aids or noise filters. Others let you assign custom actions, double tap to take a photo with your phone, triple tap to launch a specific app. In the settings, you might find equalizer controls to totally change how your music sounds, boost bass for workouts, or tune vocals for podcasts. Some brands even let you test your hearing and auto-adjust sound for your ears. And if you think your earbuds are only good for audio, think again. You can use them as remote mix during recordings or even as a translator with live language tools. Bet you didn't know that. Some even support head tracking for spatial audio, making movies and games feel ultra-immersive. You can also pair one earbud with another device to multitask like a pro. Battery management settings can extend usage hours when you're on the move. And let's not forget firmware updates that can unlock brand new features without buying a new pair. There you have it, 5 incredible gadget hacks that most people never discover, but now you're one of the few in the know. Whether it's faster charging, hidden smartwatch tricks, or automating your life with a simple tap, each of these hacks brings a little more magic to your everyday tech use. And the best part? These aren't just cool, they're practical, powerful, and ready to use right now. So next time someone says they've mastered their device, you'll have a few surprises up your sleeve. If you enjoyed this video, imagine what's coming next. We've got more tips, tricks, and secrets waiting just around the corner. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe with the bell on because the next hack might just be the one that changes your routine forever.